in today's video we're going to be talking about the DJI MAVIC 3 and some new news that came out surrounding the drone. I've actually made a couple of videos regarding the MAVIC 3. This newest update came out about 2 days ago now. So this is actually on a website called dronexl.co. And this is a article written by Jaime Castello. I hope I said his name right. He's written a lot of articles in the past for Drone DJ, and now I believe he works on this website, but he's always a credible source for information. Here is what the article is saying. The DJI MAVIC 3 Pro could replace the Phantom 4 Pro and likely also the Inspire 2. So when I first read this, I was like, wow, that's crazy. But let's get into the article so that you guys can see what this is all about. So it starts off saying, as we have said before, the DJI MAVIC 3 is likely to arrive in two versions, a regular version as well as a larger MAVIC 3 Pro. The Pro version will not only replace the Phantom 4 Pro, but is likely to replace the aging DJI Inspire 2. DJI was expected to launch the DJI MAVIC 3 this summer, but seems that DJI has changed course because of the turbulent political times and will now wait to introduce this drone until at least January of 2021. The new MAVIC 3 is expected to arrive in two versions, a regular and a DJI MAVIC 3 Pro. Both versions will make the Phantom 4 Pro obsolete, but the DJI MAVIC 3 Pro is even expected to replace the aging DJI Inspire 2. The DJI Inspire 2 is a platform that did very well for DJI and one that they are proud of, according to an anonymous company insider. However, the camera options for the Inspire 2 are showing their age, and DJI's dual-band light bridge technology that is used in this professional drone can't hold a candle to the company's latest tech seen in the DJI MAVIC Air 2. It has been rumored that the new DJI MAVIC 3 Pro will have interchangeable lenses and that the Chinese drone maker might even be working on a stabilized zoom lens option. We think that if these rumors become reality, the MAVIC 3 Pro will surely mean the end of the Inspire 2 series. The Phantom 4 Pro production will be stopped at that point as well, and DJI might opt to keep producing the DJI Phantom 4 RTK and Phantom 4 multispectral for commercial and enterprise customers. So that's the end of the article. It's pretty short, but here's my take on it. This is actually not surprising to me in most cases. So let's talk about the part that's not surprising to me. The fact that the MAVIC 3 is potentially going to make the Phantom 4 Pro obsolete, that's not surprising to me. I kind of expected that, and I always thought that would be the case. And the fact that they're talking about introducing interchangeable lenses is also really awesome and something that I expected. But the one thing I didn't expect is that they would go as far as to say that this could replace the Inspire 2. Now, here's a couple of reasons why I actually don't think that that is true. First of all, the Inspire is set up in a way where when you raise the landing gear, you have a 360-degree viewing angle. So you can basically see everything in 360 degrees if you turn the camera. Whereas with the current MAVIC setup, you can only see 180 degrees left to right or up and down. You can't turn the camera all the way around, because if you did that, you would just be looking at the drone. So I don't know if that's true. I don't know if I believe that. I still feel like there's room for an Inspire 3 for really like professional customers, like movie production sets and, you know, serious filmmakers. But who knows? Maybe the MAVIC 3 Pro will be a mini Inspire. Like, I don't know what they're thinking with this new drone. I mean, if we look back at what Drone DJ released a couple of weeks ago now, we saw a potential patent design where it showed what the drone is probably going to look like, which to me looked like a MAVIC, series drone. So we'll see what happens here. I thought that this article was really interesting, and I don't know if everyone else saw it, so I wanted to share. and any Mavic 3 related news you can expect here on the channel. I will definitely keep you guys updated. Definitely subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you're updated when I create new videos, and also give this video a thumbs up for me. And stay tuned for my cinematic drone videos as well. I live in the beautiful state of Arizona, and I'm so fortunate to be able to fly at some really awesome places. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.